Hello, I'm Andy and today I'm going to talk about runs or sags in your paint finish. This is when the coating fails to adhere uniformly and then causes beads or droplets in the paint finish. Runs or sags are caused by a few reasons. One reason is when too much thinner is used in the coating. Another, more common reason is when there is excessive application of the wet coats due to the gun being too close to the surface, too slow gun speed, or double coating of the paint. Furthermore, if the substrate temperature is too low, it can also cause loss of adhesion, which will then result in the paint running. To repair the runs or sags, you should remove the wet paint film with solvent, clean and then refinish. Or if the paint is completely dry, remove excess paint by ultrafine sanding, compound and then polish to restore the gloss. To prevent this happening in the first place, you should always mix the paint according to the product directions and ensure that you add the correct amount of thinners into the paint. Another thing to look out for is using the gun with correct settings and air pressure. There are a few things that you can change in your gun setup that will reduce the risk of your paint running. A smaller size tip can help. An increase in the air pressure and atomization of the paint, and if you are using a pressure pot, a decrease in the pot pressure can all help in achieving a world-class finish. Also, check the temperature of the substrate you are painting and allow it to get to room temperature. This will help stop the paint from running or sagging. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like and subscribe. To watch our previous video on cleaning and dismantling the Iwata W400 gravity spray gun, click here.